Peter and Johnny took 8 minutes 45 seconds and 12 minutes 15 seconds respectively to solve a mathematics puzzle. Express the ratio of Peter's time to Johnny's time as simple as possible in the form A is to B. So what do we mean when we are being asked to express our final answer in the form A is to B? Notice that in the given, there are two numbers that represent the time that each person needed to solve a mathematics puzzle. So it just means that we need to do some conversion for this problem. And there are two ways in which we could do that. We could convert our time into minutes or convert our given times into seconds. If we opt to convert our given times into seconds, then since 1 minute, for every minute, there are 60 seconds, then 8 times 60, then add to that 45, that gives us 525 seconds in all. That's for Peter. And for Johnny, 12 times 60, then add 15, that gives us a total of 735 seconds. So with that, since we need to get the ratio of Peter's time to Johnny's time, so that's P is to J. Peter is 525, Johnny is 735, then our ratio is 525 is to 735. And simplifying our ratio, our greatest common factor for the two values is 105. So dividing each value by 105, we have the simplified ratio 5 is to 7. Now, if you opt to convert into minutes, then since Peter is 8 minutes and 45 seconds, then we simply express 45 seconds as 45 over 60, which when simplified is actually 3/4, because the greatest common factor of 45 and 60 is 15. So dividing each by 15, it gives us 3/4. So for Peter, we have 8 and 3/4 minutes. And then converting our mixed fraction into improper fraction, that's 8 times 4, 32 plus 3, 35 over 4. So we have 35 over 4 minutes for Peter. For James, that's 12 and 15 over 60. Again, the greatest common factor of 15 and 60 is 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So 15 over 60 is simplified as 1/4. So we have 12 and 1/4 minutes for Johnny. And converting that mixed number into improper fraction, that's 49 over 4. Because 12 times 4 is 48 plus 1, that's 49. And then using the same denominator, that's 49 over 4. Now going back to the question in which we need to find the ratio P is to J, that's 35 over 4 is to 49 over 4. Since we have the same denominator, we could disregard the denominator and just focus on the numerators. So we are left with 35 is to 49. And simplifying that, the GCF, or greatest common factor of 35 and 49 is 7. So dividing each by 7, we end up with 5 is to 7, which is the same simplified ratio that we got when we converted our times into seconds.